Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from clothing subscription services and also from makeup subscription services. So if you like those kind of videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Just click on the little subscribe and click on the little bell, and anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified right away. And for my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I have my Nadine West unbagging to do for the month of March, and we're going to get straight into it. But before I do, let me give you the quick little rundown. If you've never tried Nadine West and you would like to try it for your first time, use the link I provided down below. You'll get to try it for free for your first time, and you will get a $10 credit. And I will get a credit too, so it'll be a win-win for both of us. And after your first time, it costs $9.78. You get shipped everything to your home. You get to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep. You send back the rest. Free shipping both ways. Just make sure you keep your package, because anything you don't want, you put back in this pink package and you mail it back. And she provides you with the label to put on the package. That's it. And you give it to your postman or take it to your United States Post Office. Easy peasy, that's it. Okay, so with that said, guys, we are going to go ahead and get straight into it. I'm wearing the first item out of the box, or bag I should say. And this is a brandy top, blue-gray stripe for $35.99. Yeah, $35.99. Her prices are starting to go up, and I'm not a big fan of the prices going up like this. I think the shirt's okay if it was $25.99, but I'm not the biggest fan. I do like aspects of this shirt. I love the elbow patch. I think that's really cute, and it's very soft and comfortable. But I kind of tied it up in a knot to show you how I would probably have to style this if I kept it, because Nadine West does not do exchanges, and I would definitely have to size down in this. If I untie it where I tied it, you can see how long it comes down. It almost looks like a dress. I mean, it's a tunic length, but it's too long. I feel like it just needs to be shorter. So I'm not a big fan of that. If I kept it, I would have to tie it, and the price. So I'm not too sure about this shirt, guys. But I like the material, nice and comfortable. Now I also have another item on, and I'm already wearing it, so we're going to go directly into that, and that is this necklace. As you can see, it's a 2-for-1 necklace, and this is the Jolena silver necklace, $17.99. It's okay, I like it, but I'm not the biggest fan of these kind of necklaces. $17.99. I'm probably not going to keep this one either. So the shirt's not looking good, and the necklace is not looking good. But these are also Nadine West earrings, and these are looking good. These are the Thelma silver earrings, $14.99. And guys, I love silver hoops. Silver hoops are my go-to, always has been, always will be. And I really enjoy these because they look substantial. They're not your little skinny ones, but they weigh nothing. I feel like I have air in my ear right now, like there's no weight on my ear at all. So these are probably going to end up staying with me because they're just so big, substantial, but weigh nothing. So that's a win-win. $14.99. You can't beat that price. And then the third item I have on, because we are going to fly through this bag, guys. I have this bracelet on. It's an infinity bracelet. I'll try to bring it in close for you guys to see. And this is $7.99. And this is the Jolena silver bracelet, $7.99. So that's a pretty good deal. It's cute. It's basic. It's probably not going to last very long, but hey, $7.99, you can't beat it, you know. It's a cute piece of costume jewelry. So the earrings and the little bracelet For the price, the bracelet's a contender. The earrings are a keeper for sure. And the shirt is probably going to be a no-go unless you guys tell me you're crazy. Keep it. It looks cute tied up. But otherwise, I'm sending it back. I think it just don't fit me right. It's too long and it's too high. Okay, so I have a dress. I have 2 pair of pants and another shirt. So let me get straight into those and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, I am back with the next 2 items, and this shirt is the Tassa black shirt for $24.49, and the pants are called Adeline, and they're gray for $23.99. Now, I can tell you both items are going to be a big no-no for me. First off, these pants, they look like I work in a business office of some sort, and I'm a very casual stay-at-home person. I would never wear pants like this. So the big no-no for these, I think even if I did work in an office, I wouldn't like these. And this cardigan, okay, how many of you guys watch me? No, I love cardigans. I got 50,000 of them. So I like the cardigan, but I'm not buying it. I am done with cardigans. Spring is coming. This is going to be a no. But with that said, I want to give some love to this cardigan nonetheless, because I think it is pretty nice cardigan. And if I didn't have one, I would keep this, but I already have 50 million of them. But let me show you the thing I like about it. It is these button detail on the arm, if that's picking up. It is just so adorable and cute. I really hope that's picking up. But yeah, if I didn't have 50 million cardigans and spring wasn't knocking on the door, I would say, yeah, I'd probably say yes to this. But no, I already got too many cardigans. Okay, I have another pair of pants and a dress. Be right back. I am back with the joggers, and these are the Maya joggers for $27.49. I can tell you, I'm just going to keep this short, polite, and nice. I don't like them. They are just way too big. They are super long. They come past my foot about that far, and I'm 5'4", and these, they're just sloppy looking to me. I'm just not, like, I would wear something like this to bed to be comfortable with. $27.49? No way, no how. Way overpriced. Just too sloppy looking for me. This is just not me. So, I have a dress. Fingers crossed. Better luck with the next one. Be right back. Okay, I am back with the last hope of the bundle. And I went down in a ball of flames. No, guys, I do not like this one either. This is $29.99. This is an A-line dress. I like that it has pockets, but just like the joggers that I had on, this is just not me. The joggers would be something I would wear to bed, very sloppy looking, and I would say the same thing about this. It is just shapeless. It has no style. It is just like a long blah, something to wear to bed. So, unfortunately, I'm going to be able to wrap this video up pretty quickly right now. The only thing I'm keeping are these earrings and possibly that one bracelet. The rest is going back. This was a very disappointing bag for me. I know everybody gets a disappointing bag, but this one was really, some of this stuff I didn't even want to show you guys. But hey, I'm a good sport and I'm going to show it to you for the good or bad. So, if you guys are liking my videos, please let me, please click subscribe and also click the like. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.